Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. And guys, today I want to bring you a little Primark haul. This is a small Primark haul. This is a small bag, like my hand for comparison. But it's a Primark sale haul. Everything apart from this bag inside was on sale. So I always like to pick up Primark stuff when it's on sale because they do some fab stuff, and it helps me with giveaways. And guys, just as an FYI, stay tuned because there will be a giveaway coming up on my channel very, very soon. So without wasting time, I'm so excited. The first thing I purchased was this bag. I love, love, love this bag. I love the fact that it has these little carry handles. It is perfect for small items. You can, it has a button that you can button up if you wanted to use it. I don't know if you would, but if you wanted to use it as your little lunch bag, you totally can. This little bag was only 60p, and excuse the redness of my hands. I did a bath bomb video prior to this one, so I've got bath bomb color on my fingers. But this is only 60p for the bag, and I think it is super duper cute. And I will keep it and I will use it. So I'm going to set the bag right here, and I'm going to start pulling out items and showing you the fun stuff that, well, what I think is fun stuff. Let me know if you think it's fun stuff in the comments below. Right out of the bag. So the first thing that we're going to pull out is whatever is on top. Whoa, and I just threw it away. So first thing I purchased is this PS gel eye mask. This is so pretty. It's almost in rose gold. It has this lovely little embroidered shimmery kiss lips on the front. It's to aid sleep and used to aid sleep and relax. It was down from £2.50 to £1, and I believe it says that do not put it in the freezer. However, you can put this in the fridge. You can remove the gel pack from the back and clean it if necessary, or put your eye mask into the fridge. I'm just going to see if this is £2.50. Yep, £2.50. Spot on. So the little eye mask was £2.50. I got it at a bargain basic price of £1. So super happy. I have an eye gel mask. The next thing we're going to pull out, and I'm just pulling them out as they come along. So I just want to let you guys know that. I purchased this set of 4 nail files because they are too stinking cute. One of them says, I live in a castle. And I wish I did live in a castle. This one is Disney Princess. This says Princess, and this just has the Disney for D. This original price was £2. It was down to a single £1. So I'm going to pull this off just to check that, because I like to see. Yep, these were £2. I hate when they put stickers on that do not come off. It is so infuriating. But yes, these were £2. And how pretty are they? They are Disney princesses at Primark. I loved the little castle on the front. And they're, yes, 4 standard buffer nail files. How cute. The next thing I'm going to pull out is these are 5 makeup remover pads. They are made with charcoal. They were £2.50 and they're down to £1. They were £2.50. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they definitely were. And I like these because I believe these are reusable. Let's see if we can open them up so we can have a look. And we'll pull that right off there. And I'm looking for more sustainable, more reusable beauty products. So I was super excited to get these for that bargain price. Okay, and these are, yeah, just the microfiber black pads. I love the fact that you get 5 because I could use 3 in one sitting and put them in the wash, and then I'll have 2 for maybe the next sit-in. So I'm super excited. These are really, really soft. There is absolutely no scent. I'm not upset with that. I currently use cotton pads only because these little reusable makeup removers, I've seen them in loads of places and they seem to be exceptionally expensive. And if I'm going to buy them, I potentially would have invested that money in it. But I got 5 for a pound. So they are pretty darn awesome. The next thing that I purchased, I think I like the pink sparklies. I don't know why. I pick everything up. Pink sparkly, pick it up. These are 8 no mark hair clips. They were originally £3. I got them for the bargain price of £1. And get that off. Oh my gosh, this is making it difficult for me. These stickers drive me insane. So I got them for £1. They are a little bit, I didn't actually even realize they need a bit of a clean, but that's fine. I like using things like this whenever I am straightening my hair or I'm curling it, just to keep it out of the way. And the fact that I've got 8, they don't leave marks, I am over the moon about. These are clear, blue and purple. And how adorable are they? I am loving it. What else do we have inside this bag? Okay, the next thing that we have is our Looney Tunes bath fizzer. This was £2. It then went down to £1. I obviously purchased it then. I love Tweety Pie. I think Tweety Pie has always been so funny. And you've got Tweety Pie's face right here. It may be a little difficult with the sheen, the glare, to see it. But this is a citrus scented, and it's 150 grams, which I think is pretty darn awesome. If you had a birthday or, I don't know, an Easter treat, I don't know how you guys feel about alternatives to chocolate or Easter eggs over Easter, but sometimes I think it's nice to give something a bit different. You could pop this in with these in with the little Easter packs, and I just think they're a lot of fun. So for £1, 150 grams, I'm definitely excited. I've got a few of these, and then I'll show you guys. So I've actually purchased 4 of these, but there's only 3 in this video because I used one last night. I really wanted to see what it was all about, to see if it did what it says on the pack. But they were on offer at 50p per item. And let's see, they were £1. Yep, that's what they've got them marked at. So they were £1 and they were down to 50p. These are the plump. Oh, that's €1.30. I don't know why they put the euro price on. I think it's silly. Some of them have a euro price. Some of them have a pound price. I'm not really sure how that works. But Primark is pennies in the south of Ireland. So I'm sure they share products. But this is a PS Plum Hyaluronic Acid Gel Mask. It's made with vegan collagen water. I don't know what vegan collagen water is. Is that plant collagen maybe? And this is a plump mask. So this is made in Korea. And I don't know if you guys have tried Korean masks before, but they're supposed to be amazing. You simply put it on, you leave it for 15 minutes, you wash it off, and then you dry your face. I did exactly what it said on the pack last night, and I can absolutely just tell you guys, I don't know if my face is plump, but what I will tell you is it is super, super soft. I mean, super soft. So I am totally buzzing that I bought 4. These are not a sheet mask. Inside is clear serum. And there is a lot of serum inside this bag. If you didn't like a lot of mask on your face, you could probably use this twice. I used all of it, and I had a hugely thick layer of mask on my face. The great thing is that I used a reusable, it's not a makeup remover, but it's let me see what it says on these, and I'll be able to tell you better. And because I bought some more face cloths, the super, super soft face cloths, and it took 2 swipes to literally get that thick layer off, which I thought was pretty good. So I am super happy that I have another set of 3, so I can pamper myself. I use a lot of coming into summer, my skin doesn't take really well to sun. So I usually fake tan. I have a tiny bit of fake tan on now, not so you'd notice with this pink hand, but I use a lot of fake tan. Sometimes when I'm in between applications, it does become a little cracked. I don't know if you guys know what I mean about cracked. You sometimes just see the crackle in the false tan. Don't know why that happens with some tans that I use, but it does. But if in between applications, I like to get as much of the residue off as I can. And this, I'm going to pronounce this and I might say it wrong. And if I do, please don't shout. I just struggle sometimes with the pronunciations of things, but I'm going to call this a cognac sponge. And I think that's right. But if not, you can let me know in the comments. Just don't shout at me. So I bought this cognac sponge. I have never used a cognac sponge before. I've had them and it was $2.50, which it absolutely was. And it is now £1. So I love it. I'm not going to actually be able to take this out without destroying the box. I don't really want to destroy the box, but it is a very thick sponge, very hard. Does get a little softer when it gets wet, but this will help maintain and take off any of that crackling that happens on my false tan. So super happy about that. Okay, we've only got 3 items left to go. So I then purchased these freaking adorable, and I'm not going to, guys, let me just tell you about them first. These are Minnie Mouse 3-pack of face cloths. They are super soft. They are gorgeous. Look at that. They are just, they're so pretty. They're the super soft face cloths. They've got Minnie Mouse on them. They were £4. They're down to 2. I'm actually going to, and you can see they were 4. I'm actually going to give these away as part of a gift. So I don't want to open them, but I want you guys to see how pretty they are. I love these peach colors. I love little Minnie Mouse. She's super duper cute. I'm actually also loving this little bag that they come in as well. This is great for travel. If you are traveling anywhere and you want to put a few little bits in, so that's also awesome. But for £2, I thought that was a steal. I grabbed them. I think they had only one other pack, but the other pack was open. So I grabbed the pack that hadn't been opened because I want to give it away as a gift. But for £2, I think 3 face cloths, £2, awesome. Okay, guys, there are 2 more things that I purchased, but they're along the same lines. And to be fair, I actually purchased quite a number of them. I'm going to give you a quick peek before we have a look a bit more in depth. So I purchased some bath bombs. Yes, I know I don't have a bath, but I do love bath bombs. And I do love doing videos on bath bombs. And I also love putting them in as gifts. So these little bath bombs were £1.50. They are 150 gram bath bombs. This one's 110, this one's 150. They are vegan friendly, which is pretty darn awesome. This one is just a little cloud, but you get the bam with the rainbow below. And look how amazing these are. This is a really big bath bomb. I mean, it's the size of my hand. So for £1.50, I think a bargain. So I picked up a number of them. Because I also want to put some in giveaways. So we have our little cloud, pink cloud with our rainbow, and then we have our little moon. And I love the fact that it has a little face, a little eye, and a little star. And again, boom, you have the beautiful green. It looks blue on screen. It is not. It is a very subtly pale green. And then you have bam at the back. We have our blocks of colored rainbows. So we have red, we have orange, we have green, blue, and pink. Well, this is more like a pinky purple. But how cute. Well, guys, this was my little tiny shopping haul from Primark. Everything that I bought, everything that I bought, apart from the bag, and sorry, these little bath bombs were on sale. I paid just under, I think, 15, 60, under £20 anyway, for everything that I got. I think that's pretty good, given that everything is super expensive at the moment. And it also kind of, if I pick things up on sale, it allows me to put a lot of fun little stuff into little giveaways for you guys. I hope you've had a blast. I certainly had a blast buying this stuff. I certainly always have a blast getting a bargain. Let me know in the comments section below if you guys love a good bargain. Let me also know what your best bargain was. I would really have to think about that question. I've got a lot of bargains over my time on YouTube. So that would be a tough one for me. But for you guys, let me know your best bargain in the comments section below. I would be super interested to hear. And in the interim, if you guys like this video, please smash the like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any further videos. And guys, please, 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 please smash the like button again. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. It's been a blast. I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you guys stay safe. Please take care and look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.